Isha rong long chen kong ge Chinese sanju ziki namba trustile nga chu jian drink sanju xie nie ru xie 从阿姆干农，你的偏个个啥出把考解冻，偏点家就话错，你瞧今大你把个车你在激动，今大是把个车解几年你之人，阿里加上华盛顿的偏点家就用的车，另个变道，阿里啥做公司呢用不个别人他们得到，容跟阿点呢我就注册是稳定上不个注册者他们所理公司家的，偏点许多个另个天生把的别一把人，他的许多个另个地农。 从阿姆干农，我的目标是个偏个阶段初步个特色活动，天面用热闹领袖，偏用泸州出吧，旁边出吧，恰是建设，偏点天女话说，阿里查出空产的，偏不懂偏点家就话目标是能长创业吧人。许多假设工作做偏几个做不个偏个我送就用它动，偏几就做动，偏个西家验定公平些，偏几罗马错了，罗年天界动。 别给图别吃农业了，用着虚品，一下用农村空洞，阿里农村空了，帮助肉让没太其他事，别去加沙拉萨事，阿们个用茶就引了利空子他，也先别弄个恰是数据的电梯，住处就他们错，别点没太的，家就用不个人的学吧人。许多天着或者农给动，当地农给做呢，那个加上华盛顿的电一次不个别点家就零个空，引把动。 另个空的我个今年出作，家里入住检测容不起出给送呢。PM 个定点他在这另个今年这 PM 容易你才顾不懂。大天阿里注册是别点许多天生把你干事，阿们个没些人把事 PM 梦到些娘学也把的 PM 容我你 PM 个定点他在另个这严格容易不个前点些也把人。
这里的Washington DC 了制作，那个就配备老毕业了，就是说呢，我就制作工嘛的，就是中文，他们推这些，这里的我就的做你的我就说是。
这里我就的这边老毕业你别的下，然后你别的那呢，那汤不定我就就是这个给，刚刚是我们Madam Caroline 给联合来加重松，空那么的样我就三年平面做不当，全部做不 SFT。 给推面南巴达，俺说是给那配不着，说给那配个俺了呀，就现在俺他就是你 mix 个地道了这些个可不让说。
So we're here today to ask our political representatives to continue their support for the Tibetan people, especially now there are 5 issues mainly that we're raising. One of the main ones is sustaining support for Radio Free Asia and Voice of America and other broadcasts into Tibet, as well as refugee support programs and scholarship programs for Tibetan students. I think that this year, especially with the language uprising in Tibet, supporting freedom of speech in Tibet, freedom of expression and language freedom is extremely important. It shows our solidarity with the Tibetans inside of Tibet, and also I think that so far our political representatives have been very supportive of this idea, and they've received the idea very well. I think, generally speaking, the U.S. Congress does actually support Tibet and stands firm with principles about democracy and freedom. But I think it's our responsibility as Americans, as Tibet supporters, and also as Tibetans, to encourage them and to give them the facts, give them the support that they need to make educated decisions for Tibet.
别点许多个另个托马的就落你动个路变现。 点的人线落在天这边的，大半的天上下一把人个。那么说第零个三就电商线上讲言，那么说三就是把个人气，等到几码个里前呢，我做滥用偷用。
My name is Norman Sandhu. I'm a former cultural businessman in Tibet. And when I was 15 years old in 1990, I did peaceful protest with tribe organizers. And we just shouted Free Tibet on Monday Saturday. Just because these 2 words, they put us in jail and tortured us and using many different kind of weapons. And also we just recording the freedom song, and they increase our sentences, and they increase my sentences to totally 23 years in prison. Because of international pressure in China, and especially the United States government. And I was released